This is actually called vertical aquaponics, and if you come over here, you'll actually see there's something swimming around in the bottom of there. Those are goldfish, and goldfish are hard to kill. You can put tilapia, you can do all the expensive fish, but if they die on you, you lost a lot of money. Goldfish, a dozen of them, $3, and kids like them. So basically, in the middle of there, there's a little thin line with a pump on it, and that pump is just dividing that water. That water is going 4 different directions. It's going down the legs again, and these plant roots are hitting the water, and it's just constant cycle. So we taught them how to use PVC. Go ahead, you want to tell it?
So what we did was we built this sprinkler system, and like you can see, we have a pencil, a big one. But so what we did was first we had to measure it, and this bed is at least 10 feet. At least 10 feet, and
Got a question?
How'd you get the holes in your PVC pipe in?
we did every 8 inches, and we
Another
marked
thing we learned. Don't take that off. Another thing that we learned.
every flower equals a
That means
So
something's coming.
like on a strawberry.
Like a dime.
Yeah, that's a tomato, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. And then we have a strawberry one right here.
And then we got a strawberry.
And,
Watermelon vine right there.
yeah, there's a watermelon they're gonna show you. Now here's my serranos that don't even compare to yours. But you know, that's jalapenos, that's serrano, and the tomato, and behind you all, that's the cherry tomatoes there.
Right.
Cherry tomato. I like the flowers. We have cabbage. We have
You know, that's actually from mosquitoes.
Yeah, she told me it was mosquito.
Look at that one
there.
You got
Yep.
one.
That's one.
See, it's so big.
Yeah, that one.
So
There's another one there.
Yep.
All right.
I know you
I
want
got
to
it.
snake come up on me.
Where's the other one? Oh, and what's
Okay, I found two.
This is, I think this is aquaponics or something.
All right. You're gonna see a surprise. You're gonna see a surprise.
Look under here.
Wait, no, I was gonna show them that right here.
What is this?
Root.
Oh, yeah.
And look,
What's that?
look down here. You know who's giving all the nutrients to the fish? It's all these fish. But actually, the fish are not doing. Oh wait, what's that fish doing?
That's a kind of big one right there. That's a leaf.
There's one fish that's. All these fishes are actually pooping and giving the nutrients to the
Okay.
plants.
Look. Very good.
So now when they start growing in here, what you do with them?
We pulled them out and put it in a
But with this one, so it's been about 30 minutes. I don't want y'all to get heat exhaustion out here, but I just wanted you all to come and get a feel for what we're doing. And some of this produce, when this really starts taking off, you're gonna have to come out here and pick it.